This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to tell you some mistakes which you should definitely avoid when marketing your Instagram account and creating your Instagram account. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, the big mistake is people that don't have a link in their bio. If you don't have a link in your bio, you can lose a lot of attention to your website or, well, the link. So you can lose a lot of attention to wherever you want to send people to on that link. So I personally have the website blackbricktraining.co.uk. If I don't have that link there, people can't see it to click it, of course. So that is a big disappointment. And another thing is not having a bio. So if I don't have all this text here, so the text saying why you should click on the link below for a free SEO ebook download. If I don't have that there, people won't want to click on the link. And if I don't have our slogan there, people won't know what we're about. So, by the way, our slogan is the part that says the ultimate online courses for beginners or professionals. Now, if I don't have that there, people won't know what we are or what we do. And if I don't have the part below, people won't know what the link's about. So you need to make sure you have a bio to describe your page, basically. So yeah, that's very important. Very important. The next big mistake people make is taking low resolution photos that look horribly pixelated and bad quality, and people just won't like them and share them or comment on them or anything. So just make sure you don't do anything to do with bad quality images, as bad quality images are the horrible way to go, and you won't gain any followers or any attention to your posts that way. So always make sure you have high quality images. Inconsistency is something which I do not recommend. I recommend that you are all consistent when you post on your Instagram page. So inconsistency is the next thing that I think is a very big no-no and a very bad thing to do when trying to market your Instagram account. So if you're inconsistent, let's say you're posting once every week and then you start posting once every 2 months. That's very bad. You want to be a lot more consistent. You want to stick to your once every week, or even once every 2 days, or once even every day. That would be a lot better. Posting once a day. That would be fantastic. Next, posting at the wrong times is a big mistake as well. Make sure that you do some research as to the time you should be posting in order to get the most amount of engagement. Otherwise, you will not get followers, you will not get likes, and once again, you will not get comments. So yeah, you need to make sure you post at the right time. Do not post at the wrong time. Posting at the wrong time is a big mistake. Now we're going to talk about the text in the images. So for example, in this image here, with the Instagram logo and just a brown background, you can see what it says about it. So as you can see, all I've written is coming soon. So that's my caption, coming soon. So that's quite a little subtle hint that it's going to be something to do with Instagram coming soon. Now, by the way, if you think that this image is low quality, it's not. It's just because my phone recording software is low quality. So yeah, sorry about that. Basically, what I'm trying to say is do not write long content. So for example, I've just got coming soon. You can do 2 or 3 lines, possibly 5, but 50 lines or just tons of lines of information in your Instagram post is too much. So don't just write paragraphs and paragraphs in your image caption. So make sure you have a lot of text, but make sure you don't have too much text. So the next thing to avoid, I'd say, is avoid using too much text. If you have too much text, people aren't going to read it and it's going to click off your photo and they won't like your page and they won't like the image. So yeah, that is definitely a thing to avoid. The next thing I would definitely recommend everyone to avoid is making your Instagram account private. This way you will never ever have anyone follow you. Like, the amount of people that request to follow people that have a private Instagram account is literally no one compared to the amount of people that follow people that don't have a private Instagram account. So just basically don't privatize your Instagram account. Privatizing your Instagram account is a big no-no, and you will get a fraction of the amount of followers that doesn't privatize their Instagram account. For example, if I privatize my Instagram account, I'll get no more followers unless people request it and I accept it. That would take time. That would take me having to accept every single person that wanted to follow me. And yeah, so that's that. Make sure you do not have a private Instagram account. That's very important. And finally, not responding and engaging with your followers is a big no-no. So for example, if people are commenting and I'm just ignoring them, or if people are sending me DMs and I'm just ignoring them, that is a bad thing to do. So finally, what I'm trying to say is do not ignore people. Always reply, always be happy and respond to messages you get from other people. If someone's asking about a product or service that you offer, make sure you answer them, as you could lose a customer. So yeah, that's that. They are some simple mistakes which I think you should definitely avoid. They're quite common mistakes which a lot of people do make, but always avoid making those mistakes. So yeah, that's that. Avoid those mistakes and follow my advice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.